Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. Let's talk about fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is about analyzing and forecasting market fundamentals. What are they? Economic growth and inflation, central banks' monetary policy and interest rates, corporate earnings, and geopolitics. Why is it so important to monitor them? Because any of those things can affect the market very powerfully and sometimes very quickly. Knowing their possible impact can highlight where the market and therefore the prices can go in the long term. Let's take a look at the gauge of the market, the S&P 500. Through all of 2022 and at the beginning of 2023, it was volatile and mostly declining. Why? Because during that period, the US Federal Reserve raised interest rates to the highest level since 2008 in an effort to tame inflation. Then, having achieved economic growth and improved inflation, the Fed eventually announced the end of rate hikes and even possible rate cuts in 2024. This shift from hawkish to accommodative policy improved the market sentiment, leading to big stock market gains, and the performance of the S&P 500 at the end of 2023 shows that. As you can see, economic fundamentals have a direct impact on the market performance, which means you can use them as a forecasting tool. Now, what are we to expect in 2024? Most economists anticipate moderate economic growth and stabilizing or decreasing inflation. Along with that, they expect similarly moderate growth in consumer spending and corporate earnings. The US Fed will likely maintain or lower the rates. What does this mean for us traders? A generally positive market sentiment, the effects of which we will likely see in the stock market. The S&P 500's highs of above 4,800 reached in January 2024 support that idea and are seen by many as an indicator of investors' confidence in the economic outlook. So generally speaking, 2024 seems to be quite promising, with the exception of global geopolitical tensions, which can cause local market downs and volatility. Did you like this video? Share in the comments if you'd like us to go more in depth on this topic. See you!